looks like it's time to harvest the potatoes. They're starting to peek through. So, gonna dump them, or have my husband dump them and see what we got. It rained the last 2 days, so try to be a little gentle with them. Wow, honey. So I think our box, we planted 5 in here from that, from Ace Hardware, that box we had.
We out in the wilderness.
The backyard is the wilderness.
The end of the world is happening.
And and you in your pajamas too.
Oh, I mean, there we go.
Look at that baby. This one right here too. That's pretty good for 5 potatoes. And we just had them in that bucket that I've had a while since the kids were small. They put their toys in it. So since they are big now, I just drilled holes in it. Dropped 5 potatoes in there, filled it all the way up. I didn't do peeling or anything. I just filled it up and let it be. They just hidden, huh? One under there. Yeah, you can pull those out. We planted these, I want to say April 11th, if I'm thinking right. April 8th or April 11th, something like that. And today is July 9th or 8th? 9th, I think. So almost, what is that? 90 days? Yeah, because a few more days will be July 11th. Yeah. Pull those out. Not sure how many we got. It's pretty decent. That's it. Looks like we might have gotten everything. And then I already did a small harvest on the small container we had of potatoes. We planted 3 in that one. And that one was more in the shade. This one was more in about 6 hours of sun, 5 hours. The other one was in about 4, 3.5 or something like that. So anything in that base, probably not. Yeah, that's just all the gunk from the bottom. Thank you, old man. So there it is. There's our potato harvest. So I thought I would share with you guys. See you guys on the next video.